Welcome to the Crypto Business channel. Today we are reviewing smart containers. It's my second part of the video about this project. First step today is this app, aiming to disrupt logistics with blockchain. As Richard Ettel, the CEO of Smart Containers Group, states, logistics is the engine of global trade. More than 70 million sea freight containers, more than 1 million air freight containers make 5 billion shipments happen. He then explains that to make each shipment happen, 200 documents are recorded or exchanged. This is where the management of smart containers have spot a disruption opportunity. Currently, it's more expensive to administer than execute a shipment. The problem is the logistic procedures currently centralized, requiring large team on all sides to tackle the flood of emails and generate the correct invoices with a lot of inefficiencies and complexity. Some of the documents involved include documents of origin, material safety sheets, airway bill of lading, transport order, customs declaration documents and bills, invoices, product data sheet, storage conditions, transport conditions. Multiply service provides billings and licenses. Resolution Smart Containers is proposing to create a decentralized logistic ecosystem open to all industry participants based on blockchain technology. LogiChain will be the name of the ecosystem. Each logistic unit will be mirrored as a virtual ship on blockchain infrastructure. Relevant parties will be able to link required documents to the virtual ship and have them accessible to other related parties in the process. Freight forwarders, contractors, custom officers, shippers, warehouse workers. Documents will be stored on either a public blockchain like Ethereum or a permissive blockchain such as Fabric or Corda, depending on the sensitivity or privacy required. All information will be available in real time, enabling parties to act quickly if there is a problem in the supply chain. By removing the need for paper and disconnected information like email, this ecosystem will provide a lot of efficiencies, reducing shipping delays, costs and CO2. Shipping parcels will become autonomous entities that are checkable, invoiced automatically through smart contracts and paid for in cryptocurrencies. Most of the functionality will be available free to logistic companies and users to increase adoption. Add-on services will be available such as insurance. Here is how the process will work. First, virtual representation of physical logistic unit, which can be a container, parcel or product, is replicated as a virtual product represented by a virtual chip on LogiChain. Second, virtual chip. The chip is virtual and can be attained by all stakeholders at minimal costs. Third, embedded data. Various data, documents and attributes relating to the product can be embedded in the ship and made accessible to the relevant parties in the supply process. For instance, customs officers, freight forwarders, contractors, shippers, buyers, warehouse workers. A key distinction of logic chain is that not all documents can be publicly available to all participants, with sensitive and private documents being stored on a permissioned blockchain. The different parties in the shipping process will access the document through an open source reader. Now, technical aspect. In order to achieve all of this, the company plans on making it easier for companies to both monitor the movement of the container as well as keeping close eye on whether or not it is on track. This is going to be a clear advantage from a logistical point of view for companies, and it is made entirely possible thanks to the blockchain. Of course, the blockchain is capable of offering a decentralized approach while helping to centralize various aspects of the logistic industry. That is because all of the information that is related to the container and its movements will be stored on the blockchain rather than pieces of paper, with the end user being in a position to look at information whenever they want. Furthermore, there is also the possibility of completing the billing aspect via the blockchain as well, since it can be placed on the blockchain and the bill itself can be paid using cryptocurrency on the platform. Speaking of the platform, it's built on Ethereum, so it comes with the safety and scalability aspects without additional strain being put on the platform. In addition, it will also be possible to integrate with third parties that are perhaps assisting the core business with the logistical side of things. This will allow all parties to track what is happening with absolute ease at all times. Finally, they are also creating a special piece of technology that will monitor and regulate the temperature of the container, with it all being controlled via the blockchain. The aim is to protect the different goods from heat so they are not damaged in transit with it. 3/4 eliminating additional costs that occur due to this variation. Marketing. Generally, to judge the potential future success of any ICO, two elements need to be considered: the token sale and the prospects for product adoption. For the token sale aspect, naturally, what complicates matters for any reviewer here is that there are in fact two simultaneous token sale taking place. The success of one does not imply success for the other, and vice versa. The Logi proposition has a lower hard cap, $4 million, and on a basis alone, it's likely to be the more successful of the two. However, its subsequent success will then depend on the eagerness of the wider logistics industry to participate in this kind of project, a difficult call for any outsider to make. And the $36 million hard cap that is being targeted for the SkyCell, Food Guardians strand of the business. It's a much more ambitious venture. However, given that this is a priori established and successful business, it is likely that there will be a range of private investors lining up to register their interest. For today, this is the end. Thanks for watching. More information will be in the next video. Subscribe to my channel for more information about ICO. Invest and make money. Good luck.